In this guide, I'll demonstrate how to download and install the Aviator Predictor app on your phone. The process is straightforward. First, you need to adjust a specific setting on your device. Open your phone's settings, and in the search bar at the top, type Install. Select the Install Unknown Apps option, and from there, tap on it again. Next, locate the browser you're using. If you're using Google Chrome, scroll down and select it. Ensure that the Allow from this source option is enabled. If it's already enabled, you can proceed without making any changes. Once this is done, exit the settings and open your browser. Search for Aviator Predictor app and look for a reliable link to download the APK file. For example, you can use a trusted website to access the download page. Be aware that there might be advertisements. Simply close them if they appear. Proceed by selecting the Free APK Download option. And if you encounter any security prompts, click Block and then Download anyway. When the download is complete, tap on the file to open it. Then select Install to initiate the installation process. This may take a few moments, so be patient. Once the app is successfully installed, click Open to launch it and begin using the Aviator Predictor app. If the initial download link does not work, try exploring other reputable websites to obtain the APK file.